with just a few minutes of your time, let me walk you through how you can turn your still images into something amazing like this using Canva. Okay, so the process is straightforward and it's very easy to do. Okay, so launch your Canva application as you see on your screen, and then you go to create new design. Okay, create design over here, and then we are going to use the video section to create this design. Okay, all right, so this is a new layer I'm using over here. Okay, so the next thing we wanted to do is to import our image here. Okay, so go to Element, or you can go to upload over here and bring your own image. But if you want to use Canva, you can just go to Element and get your image over here. So for the first image, I want to use this map over here. All right, I want to use it. So let's scale the image to fit inside our video frame. Okay, so the next thing we wanted to do here is to click on edit over here, and then we look for magic grab. Okay, click on it like this. So click over here like this. So we click inside the object we want to highlight, and then we click on the grab over here like this, and then allow Canva to do the magic for us. All right, so our objects have been grabbed, so now we can easily move it across our design. Okay, so let's leave it like this. So one thing we wanted to do is to extend the background. Okay, stretch it across the frame, stretch it like this. Okay, the down and the top. Okay, you stretch it nicely like this, and then you can also adjust the object if you wish to do so. Okay, so the next thing we wanted to do here is to go to our Animate over here. Animate. Okay, so click on the Animate, and then there are a lot of animations here that we can use, but the one we wanted to use for this tutorial is the breathe. Okay, so when you click on the breathe, okay, we have two things. We have the out and the in. Okay, all of them have different effects. So if you want the in like this, you just scale it nicely, and then you get this nice motion animation. And then if you want the out to, you can just scale it something like this, and you get a nice animation like this. Okay, all right, so all depends on your preference. Okay, so let me show you another example. Okay, so click here, and then go to element over here, or let me go to upload, and then bring my own image I have edited. Okay, good, over here like this. Okay, so in this case, this image won't be able to fit inside our frame very well. Okay, so what we wanted to do here is that we're going to use Canva to expand it. So go to edit, and then scroll down until you see expand over here. Expand over here like this. Click inside it, and then click on a whole page. Expand a whole page, and then click on expand at the bottom over here like this, and then let's allow Canva to expand our design for us to fit inside our video frame nicely. Good, so Canva have done a good job by expanding our image to fit inside our frame nicely for us. Okay, so the next thing we wanted to do here is to click on edit, and then we go to magic grab over here, and then allow Canva to grab the image for us. Okay, so let me zoom in, guys, for you to see. All right, so when you are selecting the grab, okay, you have to pay attention to this detail. You click inside here like you can see that the lady that have been selected. You click inside the guy to have been selected, but you can see that the flower here have been left out, the hand, and then the back of the guy have been left out. So make sure that you select them individually by clicking on it. Click on the hand of the lady, and then click on the flower over here as well. Okay, you can even add the air. Okay, so all of these have been selected nicely, and then you go to grab over here. So let's wait patiently for the video to be done. So now our image has been fully grabbed, so we can move it across anywhere we want. So the next thing we wanted to do is to expand the background across the frame, the video frame, both the up and the down. Okay, and then here we can scale down our image a little bit here like this. Okay, you can scale it down. Okay, scale it down a little bit like this, and then you go to Animate, and then you select the design you want. Okay, select the design you want over here. But the one I want, you can go on the breadth, and then you can select the out or the in over here. Okay, you can select the out or the in over here, and then your design will be ready. Okay, so when we are done with all the designs, okay, what you have to do next is to click on the share over here. Okay, click on the share over here and then go to downloads, and then you can increase the quality to 100%. Make sure that you download it at MP4, and then click on the download over here, and the video is going to download completely for you. Okay. So guys, I believe this tutorial have brought you value and you've learned something about it. So thank you for sticking to the end of the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and bye bye.